Many are called, but few are chosen.
The goddess of the deep sea! Young man! Andreas has stepped forward!
Pastor Ken and Pastor Eric, both prophets of doom, seek supernatural powers from the underworld, a river goddess.
You must not sleep with any woman, even your wife.
A movie that exposed all manner of errors and evil done in some churches around the world.
She's 2 months pregnant.
She was pregnant for 16 months, but at last she gave birth to a son.
You the inside now work God. Bring am for this work. Make he come to do. Could he do miracle?
A prophet ordained by God. At age 12, he began to prophesy.
The man that wants to get married to you is your brother from under mother. Please don't accept the marriage. Who told you? I see a great multitude of church members following you.
Hallelujah.
Here comes another spiritual blockbuster movie from the stable of GMG Movie Production.
I can feel it. I can feel it. Believe me. Yes. Hallelujah. Receive. Yes. All that we receive.
Deceit and lies. The power, persecution and danger.
Jesus! Why? You people should repent! Repent!